Welcome to Tuesday, day 2 in the Great British EV Rally. I'm EV Keith, otherwise known more normally as Keith Freeman from Drivetech, driver training partner to the GB EV Rally. Today I want to focus on charging, where, when and how. This is arguably one of the most significant mindset changes between EV and internal combustion engine and fossil fuel powered vehicles. Different EV vehicles have different ranges, of course, and for sure the typical van currently will have a lower range than a conventional mid-range passenger car. Not forgetting they might normally be carrying a significant payload. So to dispel range anxiety and to make your day run smoothly and as calmly as possible, take on board some thoughts on EV charging, some applicable to our daily rally and some to everyday use. Mindset: download the apps, pre-register. Convenience and cost of home or work charging are possibly your best means of running an EV. The majority of charging will either be done at home or at work. It's very rare that maybe somebody will do a journey that will need charging outside of the home. After all, most vehicles have a range of at least probably 200 miles, and that is more than the average driver will do in any day. Make use of free charging. The supermarkets will offer free charging to encourage you to buy from that particular supermarket, but remember that could be time limited. Also, if you use public chargers, you're going to be paying more for that, and also there could be a penalty for staying on that charging point after you've fully charged. Always remember too, charging point etiquette. Please don't leave your vehicle on the charging point after you've fully charged. Now, you can disconnect somebody's vehicle once it's fully charged, but that again is quite rude to do that. Linking in to the charging network throughout the UK, there are a multitude of apps that you can download. Also, the inbuilt sat-nav in your vehicle will show you the charging locations. Now, this is important, particularly for the company car driver. Make use of your downtime by planning charging to coincide with your other tasks, such as your meetings, your phone calls, and refreshment breaks. I want you to have an enjoyable and safe day as we move from Scotland into England. For the cars passing by Lake Windermere and ending in Cheadle, and for the vans that are taking in the magnificent Angel of the North and ending in Leeds. Safe travelling everyone, take in the beautiful scenery, and I'll see you tomorrow.